I am back with another clean with me. This is number 4. First one featuring the new room. If you haven't seen my 24-hour room makeover video, revamping this space, I will have that linked. Check that out after this video. However, this cleaning video is not like the others. For 2020, and since I've turned 25, I think I grew up. Things, they're just clean. Let me show you. So on a surface level, as we walk in, things aren't bad. Like, okay, floor definitely needs to be vacuumed, but it's not covered in stuff as it normally is. We have a few things in the chair. We all have our bedroom chair that just kind of collects items, so that's happening there. But generally speaking, the room is very clean. If you're wondering why this is a clean with me video when my room is in decent condition, it's because in this video, I'm gonna take 24 hours to get things into a very like long-term solution standpoint. I'm in the mindset today where I'm like, all right, I need to stop hoarding like all these white dresses for the chance that I ever go to Greece again, like things like that. I feel like I hold on to so many items for like the chance that I'm gonna wear them again at a very specific event, when like if that specific event comes around, I know I'm just gonna get a new outfit, and that's just, it's not great, but that just probably is how it is because I continue to work with a bunch of fashion brands. So I'm gonna take the next 24 hours, try to get all of this into an even better state, because even just having it clean, like I really don't know who I am. I've been getting back from trips, unpacking immediately. It's weird times, man. And I've just already seen how much my life has improved from keeping this space clean. So I think if I were to clean out even more things, things can only get better from here. On the note of all these products over here, also in this video, I kind of want to get at some more like sustainable storage solutions. So in my hallway, as we walk out into the hallway, my only storage for products is in this one drawer that I have in my bathroom, which is a mess. And then over here, as you can tell, this is so full, it's not even closing. I've tried to organize this before in these cleaning videos, and again, over time, I've just gotten more stuff and it's become a mess because I haven't adequately been getting rid of things as I've been bringing new things in. We're gonna clean this out, hopefully get a better system going. So I think I'm gonna start actually in the closet room. A lot can stand to go in here. Some of this jean section has filled up again. I don't think a lot of these even fit me. I need to go through and do actually some trying on, which I hate. It's my least favorite part of cleaning these out. So many items here I feel like I hold for a rainy day, and like some of these dresses, this could be dusted also. All right, first of all, I couldn't tell you the last time I wore white jeans. Does this even fit me? These have a stain on them. I think the odds of me wearing, well, I don't know. Am I gonna wear this pair of white jeans? I actually will wear. Those other ones are skinny jeans. I feel like I don't wear any skinny jeans anymore. I only wear those like straight leg. This is a good pair, right? I've probably gone down in most things a size in the past like 6 months, I would say, over time. And it's only just getting to the point where it's like, all right, some things really just don't fit anymore. Like these jeans, on top of the fact that half of the fabric was left in the factory, those absolutely do not fit me anymore. These were never flattering to start with. I'm very picky with jeans. Does everyone have like one jean style that works on them? This pair of jeans is from Forever 21. Kinsey got these for me when we did like a shopping challenge video. I'm gonna try them on. They're definitely not like quality denim by any means, but I feel like I whip them out from time to time when I'm like going to the beach. I also get a lot of questions about how I hang my jeans up. So I'll have these little hooks linked on Amazon. They just look like this, these little like S hooks. And then I take my jeans and I fold them in, and then I hook them by the front 2 belt loops. Perfect example of skinny jeans I don't wear, but I'll try them on just in case, because that's my hoarder mindset. I have jeans up here I didn't even remember existed. What brand is this? Oh, are these from Bershka? We'll give them a try on, but I didn't know I had those, so I think I'm gonna go. This is a skinny jean pair, but it's like a good solid like dark wash blue. I feel like I don't have in another color, so I'm gonna hold on to that. These from American Eagle, these corduroy pants, I wanted to love them, and they are just meant for someone with a longer torso. Those can absolutely be sold on Poshmark because they're great. Another jean that was shredded. Oh, why did I ever own that? Wow, black skinny jeans. Again, why is this not washed? I have 4 pairs of black skinny jeans, which I haven't worn any of in forever. So these are all gonna be tried on, and I'll probably keep 1 pair. Apparently these are the only pairs of pants that I feel confident about. So already we have a few I'm gonna get rid of. These I'm gonna all go try on. All right, this pair used to be my favorite pair of jeans, but currently they're a little bit big in the waist, but they kind of still fit in the legs. I feel kind of neutral about these because I can still make them work if it were a situation where I really wanted a light wash jean. So I have others to try on, and we'll see if I come back to these. I didn't think I'd be making big decisions so quickly. I tried on this pair from Cotton On. They fit much better because they're actually my size. However, the other ones are kind of a softer denim, and they're a little bit lighter of a wash. So I still like those better, better, but these are probably the more appropriate fit. But I only need one of these. I have to say this flying monkey pair can go. I don't think this is supposed to be this baggy. These are another solid wash pair from Cotton On that I like. However, I have to roll these quite a few times at the bottom and it kind of bunches up a little bit more on the cuff than I would like. And these are close enough to that super dark wash pair in my closet that I kept. So I think I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm gonna get rid of these. I just don't think, I think our time together is over. Girl. It's my only pair of ripped black skinny jeans, but I think I'm gonna let them go. Option 2 from Topshop, a little bit big in the waist. Option 3, these are perfect fit. They're the same exact style as those other ones from Topshop. I'm gonna keep these and get rid of actually all 3 of the other black pairs. That is 13 pairs of jeans that we were getting rid of already. Got much more room going on now. Next up we have the t-shirt rack. You may remember from my first or second cleaning video a while ago. This used to be like this packed all the way across. We're still better off than we were then. I don't think I've really gotten any new t-shirts since I've cleaned this out the last time. This is a see-through shirt. I kept this around in case I wanted to wear this to Coachella. Here we are, it's nearly Coachella, and I don't know if I see myself wearing this. We will know its fate in the next 2 months. This is a little cropped white shirt. I have a couple other options like this, and this one ties in the front, which I don't really love, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this. Good t-shirt, great t-shirt, my favorite t-shirt I own. This is from Boohoo, and it's quite thin. This has been a good shirt to tie up with a pair of high-waisted jeans, whereas these are a lot longer and have a lot more fabric, so it doesn't make it that feasible. Part of me that wants to hang on to everything wants to keep this, but the last time I wore this was like years ago, so I think I'm gonna let that go. Look at us, progressing. This USA t-shirt, I got this at Melrose Trading Post, I believe, and it's tissue paper thin, like the thinnest item I've ever owned. No, I'm not gonna wear that. Bye. This alumni UNC shirt. Sorry, getting rid of it. I feel like I never wear this Rolling Stones shirt. Might get rid of this, I think. This I wore to Coachella once upon a time, and I don't need that anymore. Look at all that space. We're trimming that down by 5 more. Next, this section is where I keep a lot of like dressier tops, if you will. And a lot of this I've held on to for just like the most obscure occasions. Like I got this top when I was going to Israel. I knew we were gonna be riding around on these little 4x4s in the desert. So I was like, oh, good desert outfit. Did I even wear this then? No. Now I'm holding on to it in the case that I go back to a desert. Like it needs to go. I love express blazers. But am I ever going to wear this pink one? One thing is for sure, I do not need 2 pink blazers. I'll keep that one. It's gold top. Now what am I holding on to it for? This top, I'm not gonna wear. 2 cheetah tops, do not need both. This one is see-through, this one is not. So maybe I'll hold on to this for like a fun nighttime moment. Great top though, you can find it on Poshmark. This, I don't even remember when I wore this. Oh, never, the tag's on it, goodbye. This, I thought I'd wear this to like a holiday event, but I still might with like some white pants. This I literally never wear. I love looking at it. It's a great top from Zara. I could never really figure out like what to wear with it because it's a pretty long length. This I got when I went to Paris. It looks very Paris. This snakeskin top from Lulu's was fun. Think about that further. These 2 tops are very similar. I wore this in Israel and don't know if I would ever wear it again. This is also like a cover-up top. I'm gonna keep that, even though I know I shouldn't. I think my days with this black top are over. It has shrunk endlessly in the wash. A couple other fun things I've been holding on to for a Coachella to see if I wear, so if this doesn't get worn soon, comment on my Coachella Instagram photos. We got a little bit more room in here. So we're cutting 9 items from our dressy rack. Next, for our dresses, I don't think I'm gonna get rid of too many of these, so I can do a quick little run through. That's a good white dress. I don't need all these white dresses. This one is stained. It honestly just needs to go immediately. This is like a super fancy white dress, and I think the odds of me wearing it are slim. This, not gonna wear again. I have 2 cheetah dresses, but one of them's midi length, so we'll keep that. This, again, this like shift dress style is just no longer my favorite. Black dress, probably not gonna wear again. This Zara dress, I don't think the day's ever gonna come. This navy dress from Boohoo, and this navy dress. Adrian tried to make me get rid of this in a past cleaning video, and I held on to it for a wedding, and I've been to a few weddings now, and I can confirm I'm not gonna wear that, so wow. Okay, so I guess we did actually clear out a little bit. So we are cutting 8 dresses, bringing the closet room total to... All right, it is now time that we tackle the closet. My least favorite part because there's just so much wedged in here. Brief overview down here. We have sweaters, sweatshirts, cardigans, things of that nature. Up here we have some jackets. And then on this side, we have a few like regular tops that were just colors that didn't fit or didn't match in my closet room. And then some like tank tops and tube top situations. And then over here on the left side, this is technically a shoe organizer. I'll also have linked, I got it off Amazon, but I use it for all of my legging storage since I do have an ongoing partnership with Fabletics. I'm constantly getting so many leggings. And then over here, we just have nice pants, skirts, and a couple more dresses. First, I'm gonna pull out sweaters. So first I just found this teddy jacket wedged in the back there that I didn't know was even there, because I have another one that is a little more fitted and kind of cropped, and I feel like I'm gonna wear that one more. Another Christmas is coming on and I did not wear this red sweater, so it can go, even though I love it. It's so soft from Zara, one of the softest sweaters. I'm just not gonna wear this. I only own one Christmas sweater, so I've held on to this one for a couple years, but again, another Christmas passed and I don't think I took a single photo in this. But also in the future, if I ever need a sweater for any kind of event, I feel like it's not unlikely that something would come up where I needed to wear a Christmas sweater. So I think I will hold on to this. Love this blue sweater. Will I wear it? How often am I gonna wear this like beige color sweater? I ended up not wearing this sweater from Princess Polly as much as I expected to. I feel like I can definitely keep one or the other of these. This is a good like travel day shirt, but I have a few little sweatshirts that are good for that. All right, this Adidas jacket I simply don't wear. Never been worn, you can buy it. I did not wear this gray sweater as much as I'd intended this year from Princess Polly, even though I think it's super cute, but once it actually got around to winter, it's such a lightweight sweater that it just wasn't what I ever reached for, so I'll list that on Poshmark. Why did I buy this? Biggest regret of my money ever. I decided I'm actually gonna cut this one too. I think the odds of me wearing a sweater this colorful is probably not gonna happen. All right, so we just cut 12 more sweaters. Here's what our progress is looking like so far. Next up, I'm gonna take everything off from over here. Basic staples I'm holding on to. I have a lot of colors of this little like v-neck cropped tank from Lulu's. I wear this on every vacation. One thing I am getting rid of, I have two black long sleeve bodysuit like turtleneck tops. So I'm cutting one, getting rid of a couple other little like tee things that were cute. Like this says offline. Thought it was fun for a while, but I don't get much wear out of it. A couple other bodysuits and just tops that I've had for a long time. Love a t-shirt, but I don't think I've worn this ever. I have two camo jackets, so I think it's probably time I can get rid of one of them. It's from Topshop. Also getting rid of this little studded jacket from ASOS. I wore this to a concert a couple of years ago and I've not worn it since then. And while I love this little furry jacket from Princess Polly, I just don't think I'm ever gonna find myself wearing brown. Okay, so we're adding in 10 more items. Most of these were small, so it didn't make the craziest difference up here in the closet since some of these jackets are a little bit bulkier, but this is the after. We have a lot more room down here in the sweater department. And then in terms of actual sweaters, I really only kept a couple in each color. We have two black, two gray, far less than before. Now for the other side, first I just have a few solid like midi dress options I've accumulated over the years that are good for vacations. I'm gonna stay holding on to one red dress, but I don't think I need to. So I'm gonna keep this one and get rid of this one on the right. All right, so here we have cut 9. I'm starting to make a lot of excuses for keeping items as well as taking a lot of breaks. So I think I'm gonna stop here for today, pick things up tomorrow when I have a renewed, ready to get rid of things mindset, and then I need to organize and go through products in the hallway closet in my bathroom. So that's what's coming tomorrow. Just found a final pair of pants. That brings today's total to... Welcome to day 2. We are nearly finished here and I cannot wait. Dun, 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 dun. It's time we finally address this hallway mess. I think the first time around I had like some towels up here. This was my like sun care. Basically I went to a sun bum event and left with the whole product line. No idea what's in there. No idea what any of this is. I kind of pull everything out and put it back in. I would do anything for another closet here to be able to store like towels and stuff in. I feel like I'm always just wedging them in different places. All right, here I am in a sea of products. We're just gonna, I mean, I don't think this is that exciting. I'm just gonna figure something out and show you what I did. All right, so update. I can finally access everything in here on top of the fact that there's a bunch of stuff I got rid of. So over here I have some travel packing cubes and then a couple other little towels wedged in there. Don't love that, but doing what we gotta do. Down here in this little pouch I have all of my face masks, a mirror. In here I have backup like shampoo and conditioner things. I have an extra deodorant for when I need another one. So often I forget that I have products that I need, and so when I run out of something, I'll just go buy another one. And so now this is all accessible. Over here to the right, I kind of have a holding zone for when I get sent some products that I'm testing out. Down here, I ended up putting my sun care things that I kept. I really only ever use SPF 30 for the most part, so I kept those products. Back here, I have a couple other backup like hairspray, dry shampoo things. I have some self-tanning products here, and then in these drawers, I pretty much just kept it the same. It's a bunch of little masks and like nice Origins and fresh beauty products that I really like and want to be able to actually grab. So now I can finally access those drawers because I just have this one pouch that's gonna stay in front of here, and this is all makeup products that, again, I forget I have, and I keep buying a new foundation when I run out of it, when really I have a ton of other foundations that now I will be easily reminded of. And then down here at the bottom, not tons changed either. Back in the back, I have a bunch of Lush bath bombs, more face masks and things that just didn't fit in these drawers, a bunch of makeup remover wipes, and then this is full entirely of travel size products. And then off to the right, I just have little pouches and things that I pack those products in. Much better now. And as you can see, these are all the products I'm getting rid of. I'm planning to donate these probably to the LA Women's Center downtown. Maybe research a little bit, but I think that'd be a good spot for some stuff like this. Just a lot of sunscreen and shampoos and things like that. So if you have any recommendations of places to donate to in Los Angeles, let me know. So that feels great. It's now bathroom time. Oh, we got so much in here. Oh good, just more dry shampoo. Alright, so after we got here, as you can tell, so much more room. Over time, I just kept throwing things in here. One thing I kept the same, I just have this little bag full of scrunchies and hair ties and things like that here, so they're easy to grab. Here I keep my hair care things that I grab most days. I kept a couple dry shampoos out, and then just some other products I use every day. These are all of my eyeshadow, like highlight palettes and things like that. My everyday makeup little bag, this has been sitting on my counter, which has not been cleaned yet, for so long. I've never had room in here to put it, to be able to like take it in and out without messing things up. So finally, I'm glad I have a spot for that. And then lastly, for my final task, I just went through and scrubbed everything down. That is it for this video. If you guys enjoy watching these, please let me know in the comments. Things are feeling good, feeling clean, feeling organized. This is what I was doing this week, so I thought I would show you guys. Please subscribe if you're new, and I will see all of you in my next video.